So OMI has an app for Microsoft Power BI. This is an app that can give you interfaces for contextual awareness to interact with Power BI. So we're going to see an example here. Video, let me just skip ahead a little bit. There you go. So here you can see an example of a Power BI dashboard that's embedded inside of OMI through the app, and it shows the relevant data that pertains to the selected asset, right? And in this particular example, the dashboard is dynamic and it changes based on the selected asset to show the data related to that asset, right? So you can see the asset selection on the left side here, and then the dashboard fills in with the data relevant to that asset. So this Power BI tool is very powerful, and it's actually available to all of our Flex customers now. So if you're a Flex customer, you can use this as of today.